How to fix Grindr registration error. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix Grindr registration error. So then to begin with, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and open up your Grindr application. So when you open up your application, this is something it's going to look like. Now, whenever you're trying to log in or maybe create your account, then you're unable to do it. So first of all, let me start with creating my account. So I'm going to go ahead and press on sign up from the top right. Now go ahead and read all of these terms and conditions and click the next button. When you do that, click on accept, and here once again you have these. Go ahead and clap on the next button. After that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and provide in your date of birth. Now, one of the reasons why you're having a registration error in your Grindr is that your date of birth. So Grindr, make sure that you are above 18 or maybe over 18 years old. So here, go ahead and type in your date of birth, and as mentioned, make sure that you are above 18 or 19 years old and tap the next button. From here, you could go ahead and manually enter in your email address, or you could go ahead and create your account with Facebook or Google. When you've done that, you should be able to fix your Grindr registration error. So this is a simple way to fix your Grindr registration error. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.